So now we're here, first day of class, WebAssign's ready for you. Here's how we get to it. First of all, I'm gonna make me go away. Bye. So we're going to use this WebAssign landing page. I would like to point out in 8 minutes, I'm gonna have office hours, so I might be a little late because I'm recording this. WebAssign landing page, right here, is what you're going to use to get to the homework every single time, unless you already have it bookmarked. In order to first set it up, we'll go to administration. We'll go to accessing WebAssign. We'll apologize for clearing my throat there. You have two ways of doing it. I'm going to use this course key. I'm going to highlight that and copy it. You could use this link and it'll probably take you to the right spot, but it won't take everybody there because it never works for everyone. So once I have that code copied, I can go to the WebAssign landing page. The first time I'm signing in, I will enter my class key and I'm going to paste that in. Notice I pasted UTEP and the 4 digits and the 4 digits. Enroll. Math 1508, summer 2024. Instructor Tuesday Johnson, that's me. Yes, that's perfect. That's me. Let's go. And then it'll have you create an account. All right, if you're new to Cengage, you'll create an account. This is already my class. I'm already me. It won't let me do a fake account for you. So I have to sign in. Now, when I sign in, it's different because I have instructor access. Okay, but the code would have taken you kind of the same place. Oh no, sorry, we can't find that page. When you get to the WebAssign landing page after you set up your classes, I'm sorry, it won't let me do that for you. I could put in a fake email, but then there's like undoing it afterwards. So get used to waiting. Okay, good. I'm signed in. This is not what you will see. If you have multiple courses, like maybe you tried this class in the summer or the Maymaster, if you have a drop-down menu, make sure you select Summer 1, 2024. Today is Monday, June 10th. You have an assignment already. Here in the Getting Started assignment, just click on the assignment. It'll tell you all the information if you need the help system. But as you're doing these, select your response by clicking 2 of the option buttons. To change your answer, click another option button. To have WebAssign grade your answer, click Submit Answer. A mark is displayed to indicate whether your answer was correct. Select the option called This is the correct answer. This answer is incorrect. Well, that's true, but that's not what the answer is. Select the option called This is the correct answer. Once I've submitted, I got it wrong. Bummer. Oh, this is the correct answer. Click in the answer box again. Submit answer. You get multiple options, all right? Multiple tries. So you get 5 attempts at every problem. If you have a problem on your homework, right over here is an Ask Your Teacher. Help with clicking. I don't know what else you might need help with there. And the cool thing is, I sent this message. This is what I sent. And over here, I'm going to reload this for you. I will automatically get a message. And it's an Ask Your Teacher. And it tells me who asked the question, what assignment it was, and when you asked it. Then it will show me your problem, it'll show me the correct answer, and it'll show me your question so that I can reply and give you good feedback. This is how you should always ask me questions on the homework. Right here, Ask Your Teacher, that question specifically. Never an email where you have to copy it or screenshot it or anything like that. Right here, Ask Your Teacher is the way to go. At the bottom of every assignment, we don't have that anymore. Amazing. There used to be a save or submit. That's gone. Good news. If we go to My Assignments, thank you for your patience. Still loading. Remember, this is the first day for a lot of people in the summer throughout the country. and a lot of people use WebAssign. It's probably one of the largest online homework systems in use, so try to use it at times where other people aren't. So unfortunately, you're going to have homework due on Tuesdays, and then a quiz on Wednesday, quiz or exam. There is a password, and that password is the word READY, R-E-A-D-Y, all lowercase. It is a timed assignment. You will have 1 hour. Once you begin, your due date and due time will change based on an hour after you started your quiz. All right, you cannot go back. You get 3 attempts on a quiz. Every Wednesday or Friday, you will have a quiz or exam. Every Tuesday and Thursday, you will have homework due. Tomorrow, I will send a video of how you can request an extension. Suppose you were late on getting started. I'll tell you how you can fix that, how you can get all caught up and everything. All glorious. Let me show you a couple more things here on WebAssign. Here you can see where you're struggling. This is a great way to review for the exams. The calendar will show you what's due when, and you can always access your textbook here. If you're the type that likes to read the book, good on you. Math books actually do have some interesting information. Here's a media index. At the very least, in section 1, let's see. Of course, I select the section that doesn't have much to it. Notice that plus sign? Let's click that. What's going on? You can enlarge the image and see it better. All right, rather than just enlarging your screen. Sketch the graph. You can check some practice problems here. Here's videos of various graphs. All right, so there's plenty of extra material here in the book for you as well. I really want to find one particular problem, and it's not showing up for me. So instead, let me show you the exercises in here. The exercises for section 1.3. I don't know why I picked 1.3, but here we are. Notice that all the odd problems have answers. Even problems do not. As we're doing our homework, let's look at 1.3 since I have that open. Fill in the blank. For a line, the ratio of the change in y to x is called the If we look at the book, these types of problems will be in your vocabulary and concept checks. I'm sure this is here. There we go, right? For a line, the ratio of the change in y to the change in x is the blank of the line. So your problems all come from your homework. A later problem that's not fill in the blank is maybe find the slope of the line passing through the pair of points. If you're not sure how to do that, if you don't remember, or you decided not to read or watch my lecture videos or read through my notes, here's some practice problems for you, right? They're very similar to the problems. They are exactly the same problems that come in here and that are then randomized. 15, 0, 0, negative 6. It's just like this problem, but the numbers have changed slightly. So your book is a great resource for you. Also, in your homepage, Insights, your calendar, you could jump to your book, and at the very bottom, you'll have your grades. This will update every day. There's a personal study plan. This will not affect your grade. If you want to do extra work, there's some extra practice for you. The resources. Larson's Pre-Calculus. If we check out chapter 1, the book has lecture videos as well. So you have my lecture videos on Blackboard, and you have the lecture videos given to you by the book here on WebAssign. And PowerPoints for it as well. As we look in the other assignments, let's go back to 1.3 since it already loaded. You will notice here in the instructions, this assignment will help you become familiar with linear equations in 2 variables. See section 1.3. Be sure to review this worksheet. And the worksheet happens to be my notes. These are my notes from my website. I'll give you a link to the website, but every single one of these goes along with the video that you see in Blackboard. These are my notes linked into pre-calculus, and it goes with the videos you guys already have access to. So this is the best way to get those notes that I mentioned in the introduction video. All right, so that is going to be all that I show you. Go back in order to get back to your assignment. That's going to be all I show you for this video. I will have more coming for you tomorrow when I show you how to do an extension.